Hello, best friend. Hi, it's me. Yeah, I'm laying on the couch. Planning on going somewhere today. Maybe going outside. I don't know. Doesn't look too very good outside. But it's 1:30 in the afternoon. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. You can really see the clock because I'm laying on the couch. As I said before. Um, I yeah, there's that part of me tired, but it's almost Christmas. Christmas is in 8 days. 8 days away. Woohoo! 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 Yeah, I'm excited. Um, yeah, I'm like go somewhere today. Do I go take a shower? Of course. I should already been taking already taking a shower, but oh, trying to wake up. I should be awake already, but I keep yawning. Stupid neighbors are driving me nuts, so I may actually do that and go outside. Go do something outside today. Itch, itch, itch. Ugh, I have an itchy eye. Yeah. So yesterday. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah. Christmas in a few days. My concert did get canceled a while ago. I was supposed to go to a class at the social communication clinics, but I kind of slept through my alarm. Kind of. Actually, I did. Yesterday was my dad's birthday. Yeah, so we celebrated with a birthday brownie cake bash for him. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Really quit yawning. Ugh. If that makes you yawn, I'm sorry, but I'm very yawning this morning. I don't know what to do. My dad's a new apartment. It's just got a choir thing, and yeah. And you know the last time I ever showed you a video, which was when we had snow on the ground. I think I showed you. Yeah, I did tell you. I at least told you about it. But now if you look outside, there is no snow on the ground because it all melted. All melted. But we're supposed to get more snow soon. I'm gonna show you because we have this tradition at my house that we have the blackbird of. It's known as the blackbird of death. This is the white bird of right there, right here. It's the white bird of life. Now I have to remember where I hid the blackbird of death. I'm trying to remember where I hid it. Where did I hide you? Oh yeah, I hid him right down here. See? He looks white. He looks white. If you flip him over here, there's a blackbird. See? Show you. Blackbird. Yeah, I flipped him. I flipped him over. I flipped him. My brother did that to me, so I'm doing it to him. Next time he comes up. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready to go someplace. I'm tired of sitting at home. Plus, I'm very, very tired. As you can tell. Again with yawning. Oh, I'll show you what I'm wearing right now. No, it's not much. It's not much, very much of this. But, until I clean it. Noisy fan in the living room. In the bathroom. Yeah, I'm just wearing black sweats. My kid's spirit sweatshirt with a t-shirt with, well, it says staff on the back. Anyway, very holy, but I am. Yeah. My hair is kind of a pink. But yeah, that's me. That's me. Yup. That's me. That's me. See? Yup. Yeah, I'll show you what my room looks like. No, always showing you what my room looks like. I know I need to clean it. Yeah, that was yesterday, so I get to wipe it off. Yay! Yesterday. Today is Tuesday, December 17th. I have an appointment on Thursday. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Yay. Yep. After still Christmas. Yay. Yay. Here's my room. I get to use this chair now. Big blue chair that used to be in our living room. I get to use it in here for the holiday season since I can't fit in our living room. Yeah. It's a mess. But yeah, that's my room. Yeah. Let's see. I get some of our little. This is our little holiday thingy. Countdown to Christmas. Actually, it's Christmas Eve. Actually, to Christmas Day, so move it down to number 8. Yay! Yay! I'm excited for Christmas. Man. Because my brother gets to give me Christmas presents. We have this tradition at my house. It's easier than we give each other. We draw each other's names out of a hat, and that's the person we give presents to. That's how we do it here. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's me. Yep, that's what I've been up to. Mostly for Christmas, what we're going to be doing is spinning around the house. Doing our normal Christmas stuff that we would normally have. We usually go to my grandparents' house, but my grandparents are on mission, so they won't be back. Yeah, they won't be back. Yeah, so I'm going to talk to you later. Bye! Bye! Here's the last look at here's how I look at our Christmas tree to end.